Welcome. In front of me is an iPad from 2021, and today I'll show you how to connect a gamepad to it. So I do have an Xbox controller right here, and I'll show you how to connect this. Now, if you're wondering why you might want to do this, because to be honest, it has no functionality on the home screen itself. It's just kind of useless. The reason for it might be some games actually do support gamepad controller. So just any kind of mobile game, some of them do have support for it. And additionally, if you're using something like Google Stadia or maybe GeForce Now, gamepad there works just flawlessly and probably will be way better of an experience with the gamepad than if you try to use the on-screen navigations and stuff like that. And additionally, at least I tried using GeForce Now with a mouse and keyboard on an iPad mini, but even though apparently the iPad OS has a mouse support, yeah, it does have a mouse support on the home screen and like just navigating, but it just completely doesn't work in any kind of application that needs an actual cursor. The iPad OS doesn't have a cursor. It has basically a virtualized touch input, which doesn't work whatsoever in, for instance, GeForce Now. Not in the slightest. You can't even like move around, pan, you can't even click, making it kind of useless. So gamepad will solve that problem. So anyway, connecting it, you want to navigate into your settings, then find the Bluetooth, which is right at the top somewhere, and just have it visible right here. On the gamepad, if you're using also Xbox controller, I'm pretty sure you know how to pair it, but if you don't, turn it on and then hold the pair button right here. And as you will see, the light starts blinking frequently, like so. So now simply wait for it to show up on your tablet. And there we go. Click on it, the light will become stable. Pair unsuccessful, well, that's interesting. There we go. And as you can see, now it is stable and it is connected. And like I mentioned, it has basically virtually no effect on here, apart from apparently being able to take a screenshot somehow. I'm just spamming on the buttons. I don't actually know which one takes a screenshot, but anyway, so it does work in some way, but that's about all it does. It takes screenshots. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.